You may have heard that our solar system is orbiting around the supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy, but that is not entirely true. See, in astronomy, things don't orbit around other things, they orbit around the center of mass in the system. Think of the center of mass as the balance point. Where do I have to put my finger so that this thing stays balanced? If you add weight to one side or the other, you have to move this balance point because the center of mass is changing. In a system like the Earth and the Sun, where you have one thing weighing 330,000 times more than the other thing, your center of mass has to be really, really far over, essentially right in the middle of the Sun. And so it seems like Earth is orbiting the Sun itself because the center of mass is almost exactly in the center of the Sun. But now let's expand that to the galaxy as a whole, which, unlike the Sun in our solar system, isn't dominated by just one thing. To get the center of mass of the Milky Way, you need to take into account all of the stars, all the planets, all the gas and dust in between them, all the black holes, including the big one in the middle, and dark matter. And when you do that, you find that the center of mass is right in the center of our galaxy, in the middle of those spiral arms where the supermassive black hole is. But just because that black hole lives by the center of mass doesn't mean that it is the center of mass. The supermassive black hole accounts for only 0.0002% of all the mass of the Milky Way. You could pluck it out of the galaxy and we wouldn't notice. Our solar system would be going on almost exactly the same orbit. So the black hole isn't that important. It's not what's governing the orbit of our solar system. It's just well positioned to be at the center of everything.